Hi, this is Scott Siskin. I'm the president of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. When you need a mortgage, call First Republic Mortgage Bankers and deal direct. Eliminate the middleman. No mortgage broker fees. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on your high-rate mortgage and your credit cards. You can save every single month by refinancing. You personally can save every month by locking in the lowest rates in over 30 years. And we make house calls to the entire tri-state area 7 days a week. Call 718-380-0006 if you're buying a home or you want to refinance your home. 718-380-0006.
Let's talk a little bit about the fact that folks can go out and shop now, and it has never been better to buy houses now more than now. So if that makes any sense, now is the best time, pretty much what I'm saying, to buy homes. But let's talk about a little bit about the interest rates and how can one go about buying homes? Because, Tony, a lot of people are saying, okay, fine, now is the great time to buy the house. How do I get the money? I already own a home. I've got credit card debt. All right. I've got situations, how do they go about getting this money out of their house? And why is it that First Republic Mortgage Bankers can truly help all these individuals who, one, want to buy homes, two, probably want to get rid of some debts, even take some cash out? How can they do that? Can they tap into the equity? Can they use the equity to do that?
Well, Squeeze, that's one of the many areas in mortgage financing that First Republic Mortgage Bank is specialized in. Refinance with a cash out and reduce our listeners' financial obligations significantly. They can get a lot of cash out because we have programs that can go up to 95% of the value of their home. So if they're thinking of buying investment property, or they have a 2-family or 3-family and they would like to buy a 1-family home now, or even a 2-family home to have it owner occupied, they can even get this loan from First Republic Mortgage Bank with enough cash out to buy that second home, or even to buy it as an investment, to hold it on for future consolidation and for future, they use it for the future investment. So now is the ideal time. You can use it to buy a home. You can use it for investment. You can buy a vacation home in Georgia, Florida, because, in Georgia, Florida, houses have gone down significantly. You buy one property, you get one free now. So the thing is,
absolutely, because in Florida and Nevada, it's just crazy. Anyone who is thinking about buying properties in Florida and Nevada, let me tell you, now is the time. But Tony, one thing I want to interject and say, man, and I know you have done a lot of these. The interest rate for refinancing now is so great and so good. Why don't you tell the folks a little bit about how much folks have been refinancing and even paying off their vacation homes and consolidating everything?
Well, that's a common practice with First Republic Mortgage Bank, especially with Tony Shafiq there. When I see their profile and I look at their credit profile in its entirety, and I see the amount of debts our folks are reaching deep down in their pocket every month to make monthly payment on second mortgages, on timeshare, credit cards, auto loans, school loans, and additional money they still need because they want to send their children through college. They need money for their children's education. They need money for their children's wedding. They need to fix their basement or renovate their home. They're sitting there with the resources, but they're not doing anything with it. And what is the resource? Is the equity that you have built up over the years, and with a very low interest rate that we are sporting right now at First Republic at 5.75, and it's an incredibly low interest rate, and that still can give you that cash out to up to 95% of the value of your home. And I will tell you literally how many people they have saved by calling First Republic and talking to Tony Shafiq, the mortgage doctor. The consultation always is absolutely free, and when you speak to me, you'll be talking to a highly skillful professional individual who can give you solid, sound, professional, honest advice about your about your credit profile and what we can do to resolve your financial crisis that you are in right now. The fact of the matter, as we say in the Caribbean, you have to make the call. You have to make the call. The consultation is absolutely free. So reach out right now, make the call. I'm in the studio. I will be in the studio, Squeeze, until 6:30 this afternoon. So I'll be all afternoon working with clients, doing their credit, pre-approving them, giving them the full amount that they can save if they are thinking of refinancing. I will be here in the studio all afternoon. So if you're thinking of making the call, you want to speak to the doctor, one with 25 years of experience in this business, but I don't even talk about that 25 years. I talk about the integrity and the loyalty to you, the consumer out there, because I have the knowledge, the power, the conformity, the confidence in me to make sure that I can structure a loan so there is no ifs and buts about getting you approved. I have
let's say depth. Let's say depth, man. You've got the depth. That's what you've got, man.
Absolutely.
And the reason why they call you the mortgage doctor is that you review everyone's profile and you see where their income is coming from. You see what their credit report is. You see the angle that needs to be done in order for them to get the right loan. And folks, this man, he does not skip a beat. He does not miss anything. He will go over every single thing. And he knows a lot about all these loans, especially the FHA program, which right now is offering you 5.75%. If there's ever one loan officer that you do need to speak with, folks, it is this man, Tony Shafiq. What I'd like to do, though, I'd like to open up the phone lines early for you, Tony Shafiq.
But before
I'd like folks
that,
to start calling you right now.
Just but one little point, too. Remember, a lot of people have purchased home in the height of the subprime crisis, and we still have the government FHA stimulus program in place and in action. And it's rolling at First Republic Mortgage Bank, and too many people are still not calling because they're hesitating to call. Some of those people can benefit tremendously by having a good loan program with a fixed quality rate and a quality and healthy loan program. They have to call because right now they have that 228. They have a negative arm. They have an adjustable rate. They have an interest-only program. Insecure loan programs that will cause havoc to them probably soon from now. They can take advantage because this program, remember, is only temporary. And if they take advantage and do that consolidation of the the first and the second, because these loan limits have gone up significantly. So those people, I know we can help a good majority of those people who are in that bracket, but they're hesitating to make the call. We want to make their life secure by giving them a secure loan program and a low interest rate of 5.875 on that program. It's a beautiful program. They can take advantage at First Republic Mortgage Bank.
First Republic Mortgage Bankers is a licensed mortgage banker, direct lender in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, Florida, Delaware, Maryland, Georgia, South Carolina, headquartered at 110 Jericho Turnpike, Floral Park, New York.